Looking for the best toys for toddlers? These simple toys help little kids learn while they play. Toddlers love to touch, stack, push, and explore. Here are some popular toys for kids aged 1 to 3 years. Aster Basics. Stacking rings. Toddlers stack rings from big to small. Nesting cups. These cups fit inside each other. Shape sorter. Kids match shapes and learn problem solving. Wooden blocks. Blocks help toddlers build and balance. Push toy. Push toys support early walking. Pull-along toy. Toddlers enjoy pulling toys as they walk. Soft play ball. Rolling and throwing improve movement. Sensory texture balls. Different textures help toddlers explore with touch. Bead maze. Sliding beads builds finger control. Pop-up toy. Pressing buttons teaches cause and effect. Ride-on toy. Ride-on toys improve balance and leg strength. Push walker. Walkers give support during early steps. Foam climbing blocks. Climbing builds strength and confidence. Crawl tunnel. Tunnels encourage crawling and movement. Ball drop toy. Dropping balls keeps toddlers focused. Peg board. Placing pegs improves hand-eye coordination. Shape matching board. Matching shapes builds thinking skills. Color sorting cups. Sorting by color helps early learning. Counting rings. Toddlers begin recognizing numbers. Stacking cups with numbers. Stacking and counting happen together. Busy board. Buttons and locks keep little hands busy. Fabric book. Soft books are safe and fun to explore. Touch and feel book. Different textures encourage curiosity. Musical shakers. Shakers introduce sound and rhythm. Toy drum. Drumming improves hand movement. Water play cups. Pouring water builds control. Floating bath toys. Bath toys make water play fun. Pouring toys. Pouring teaches careful movement. Sand scoops. Scooping helps develop grip strength. Rolling ball ramp. Watching balls roll builds attention. Toy phone. Pretend play begins with simple toys. Toy keys. Key toys make fun sounds. Toy tool set. Toddlers enjoy pretend fixing. Toy kitchen utensils. Simple role play builds imagination. Soft animal figures. Soft figures are safe for play. Push car. Push cars encourage walking. Hammer and peg toy. Hammering improves coordination. Shape stacking tower. Stacking shapes builds problem solving. Toy mirror. Mirrors help toddlers recognize faces. Sorting bowls. Sorting objects builds early thinking. These toys help toddlers grow through play. In the next video, we'll explore toys for preschool kids. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to Aster Basics, and hit the bell icon for notifications on more fun and amazing learning videos. Thanks for watching!